My name is Kipngeno Koech, and I'm one of your TS for this course, 11785, Intro to Deep Learning, taught by Professor Biksharaj. Now, this session isn't about writing codes or designing neural networks. It's about something just as important, how to actually survive and succeed in your course project. Because having a great idea isn't enough. Executing it well is what makes the difference. Let's start with why this matters. You might think research is all about being smart, but honestly, structure, teamwork, and mentorship plays a much bigger role. Your course project counts for 25% of your grades. That includes your midterm report, video presentation, Piazza responses, and the final project report. And in the beginning, it will feel messy. Everyone will have ideas, you'll debate, you'll hesitate, and you might not even know where to start. And that's totally okay. Most projects don't fail at the end, they fail at the beginning. And that's what we are going to fix today. Here's the roadmap. We'll walk through the project workflow, how to choose the right topic and mentor, how to build a great team, and close with some final tips. It begins with inspiration, a problem or idea that genuinely excites you. From there, you move into exploration. You start reading papers, benchmarking existing work, and surveying the landscape as you try to look for a baseline model or results you can replicate. Next, you formulate your problem. That means defining a clear scope, setting specific objectives, and identifying what makes your project novel. You don't want to solve a never ending problem. You literally have 3 months or less to do all this. So, the sooner you identify a specific problem, the better and the quicker you are to the end. Once that is in place, you move into execution. This is where you code, experiment, and analyze your results. But it doesn't stop there. You'll go through iterations, reviewing results, debugging, improving, and sometimes pivoting when things don't work as planned. Eventually, you'll reach your output. This could be a paper, a demo, a tool, or even a poster. And through every stage, remember to keep looping in feedback from your mentor. That guidance is key to keeping your project on track and growing it in the right direction. From the workflow, the first steps are inspiration, exploration, and formulating your problem. And that starts with choosing the right topic. Picking the right topic is half the battle. It's what keeps you motivated when the experiments fail and when you hit unexpected roadblocks, which, trust me, will happen. Ask yourself, what genuinely excites you? What does the future look like for you? What problems do you want to solve in the world? Could this idea lead to a publication, a product, or even a broader social impact? What exactly is the output for this type of a problem? And is it aligned with the current market trends or research directions? Your passion is what fuels perseverance. So take this step seriously. It sets the tone for everything that follows. Dig deeper. A good topic aligns with your interests and goals. Can it be published? Can it become a product? Will it matter to someone else outside this class, or is it just for the professor? Look at the top conferences, see what people are working on, review recent research papers, and find the gaps. Mentors matter a lot. Start early. Don't just look at who is famous. Look at who matches your interests and has time to support you. Check, do they work in your field? Are they open to mentoring students at your level? Have their past students done well? Approach them with a specific idea and a clear ask. Now, let me be blunt. Bad teams kills more projects than bad ideas ever will. If your teammates aren't interested, skilled, or consistent, your project is already on life support. Some quick non-negotiables. One, transparent reporting. If you're not openly sharing progress or blockers, you are not collaborating. You are freelancing in a group project. Number two, document everything. Meeting notes, experiment, code changes, write it down. No docs, no memory, no accountability, just chaos in a Google Drive. Review literature together. Don't skip this step and don't do it solo. No literature review? Congratulations. You're officially rebuilding what failed in 2016. Good luck. Weekly check-ins is our number four. This is not optional. Your project depends on it. If your team doesn't talk weekly, you're just four strangers hoping for a miracle. Listen, your project is only as strong as your last team meeting. Don't let silence be the reason your project failed. As a wise TA once said, me of course, a broken gok stole the entire machine. Let's talk about collaboration because here is the hard truth. We all do everything together. It's not a plan. It's a slow motion failure waiting to happen. You have to treat your project like a startup. That means real roles, clear ownership, and a smart execution. You don't want four CEOs and no one who knows how to ship or cook. First, Assign clear roles. Don't blur responsibilities. If everyone owns everything, then no one owns anything. Decide who is leading what, who is writing the meeting, who is leading the meeting, who is taking the notes. Define the tasks and own them. Second, be flexible. When the data and feedback says pivot, you pivot. Close minds kill projects faster than bad models. Don't get stuck defending a broken idea just because it was yours. Next, set internal deadlines. Don't wait for official check-ins to start panicking. Projects die quietly when no one follows up. Having mini deadlines keeps momentum and show progress. Then start building early. Don't just brainstorm for 3 weeks or 1 month. Cool idea without execution, just with wishful thinking. The earlier you start, the faster you fail and the faster you learn. Number five, stay organized. Using a single folder or workspace that everyone sticks to. If your project lives in 5 folders and 7 charts, it's already a ghost town. Keep things simple and consistent so that no one is lost. Finally, communicate often. Don't assume that people know what's going on. Over communication beats assumptions every time. Most problems come from silence, no disagreement. Now let's cover some of the most common traps that derail projects, not dramatically but slowly and silently. Number one, starting too late is always the classic. At first, it feels like you've got time. Weeks go by. Then suddenly you're behind and scrambling. Procrastination doesn't scale, it implodes. Keep that in mind. Number two, chasing trends is another one. Yes, the efficient models and LLMs are so cool, but if you don't understand the fundamentals and can't apply them meaningfully, your project won't hold up. Trending without depth, you're just building a buzzword generator. Then there's mentor mismatch. Don't pick a mentor just because they are famous or they publish a lot. Pick someone who aligns with your topic and has time to support you. A mentor who doesn't get your project won't grow it. And finally, poor delegation. Everyone doing the same thing sounds so democratic, but it's not productive. Divide work based on strengths and interests. Divide to conquer or just drown together. The bottom line, avoiding these mistakes won't guarantee success, but making them almost guarantees a first class ticket to failure. I will avoid them if I were you. Now, this one is personal. Agenda-less meetings. Let's be honest, meetings can be the biggest productivity drain if not done right, especially those agenda-less ones. An agenda-less meeting feels productive, but it's just people talking in cycles. No structure, no decision, no outcome. It's not a meeting. It's just a weekly ritual of confusion. So what do you do instead? First, never meet without an agenda. If there is no clear reason to meet, cancel it. No agenda, no meeting. Number two, assign clear roles. Someone to lead, someone to take notes, and someone to track next steps. A meeting without roles is a meeting without result. Number three, use the time to focus on blockers, updates, and action items, not just status dumps. Wrap up every meeting with concrete next steps. Who is doing what and by when? And here's the game changer, boys and girls. Before every meeting, ask, what decision are we making today? If there's no answer, don't waste your time. If you're not making any decision in a meeting, you probably don't need it. Let this be your mantra. No agenda, no meeting. No agenda, no meeting. Let's wrap this up. A great project doesn't happen by chance. It takes careful planning and relentless execution. You need to approach it with the same seriousness you did give to launching a real product or publishing a real paper. Start with the strong foundations. That means choosing the right topic, the right mentor, and the right team. These decisions set the tone for everything that follows. Then communicate and own your role. Stay organized, talk to your teammates, share your progress and your blockers, and take full ownership of what you commit to. No one is coming to rescue you in your project. You are the driver. Finally, remember this, your project is your story. Make it one that's meaningful, well executed, and worth sharing. See you in the fall semester. Asante na kwaheri.